Wala, pinapakabang tao. Anak cute-cute. Basta nagit mo mga tatoan. Kana.
Bad bitch yung ano, nata this.
Kiki ka gagungich.
Nata.
Lagi. How did you find out you're a woman? Did God make a mistake? I think
Philippines authentic luxury footwear is the now. Welcome to Rated Lux. Designer handbags, shoes, accessories.
ito.
Sa akong tanda to.
Ugma daw. Teksa na daw kanipapag.
Skip or invest in. Skip or invest in this business.
Aray na po.
Welcome back to the Victoria's Secret Fashion Show.
Resistance ko na was.
Welcome back to the Victoria's Secret Fashion Show.
Ganun yung daw si Bella.
Just siya ko. No?
Welcome back
Ikaw
to
di.
the Victoria's Secret Fashion Show.
Given.
People are so mean. I don't care. I actually don't care. I live my life as I want. So, live your life as you want.
Ano? Dagang ikanta sa mga pamilya no? Do you think? No? Just no? Fantasi ka sa mga pamilya.
Like, I more rather to spread kindness, love. You know, yes, I believe in God. My family are very religious. Then I really believe in God. So, it's all matters. That's all matters. So how can you say you think God made? If you really believe about what are you saying, then don't come here in my life. Okay? Because I'm not here to answer always your question. Go to church and talk about that. If you are serious, then search it in Google. I mean, if you're curious, what I mean. Jesse make me mood. I don't know. I don't really know how to have a moderator. How can I have a moderator?
Kasi lagi pinapalitan yung camera for 50,000 pesos.
I don't know.
Started power one. Communicated namin sila and recommended accountability. For ako, nag-cost around 5,000. Nag-cost ko yung check ko agad.
I don't know what people say. If you wanna go to my inbox or message requests, you better have interesting message that could make me surprise. And I will reply. Spill the tea. Spell the tea. Matcha latte. Hi, Mr. Payne.